Welcome back to the garage. And quick project here. This is a lawnmower that belongs to my neighbor, who is a landscaper, and I guess one of his guys overfilled it with oil, and I guess it was coming out of the muffler, and just a disaster, and now it won't start. So he wants me to take a look at it. I guess the place that does all his repairs won't work on Craftsman, so he wants me to deal with it. And I do a lot of small engine repair for neighbors and stuff. He's got a trailer, I guess a landscape trailer that's broken, and he wants me to weld and fix for him. And he had a Wright lawnmower. I don't know if you guys are familiar with a Wright lawnmower, that was broken basically in half, and nobody would fix it. And they don't sell that style sitting style Wright lawnmower anymore. And he really wanted to get it fixed, so he gave it to me. And I spent like 4 days between taking it apart, putting it back together, welding it, using come-alongs and jacks and everything, because the lawnmower was really heavy. And here's a picture of it right here. So that gives you guys an idea of what went into that. I didn't video any of it because the videos for lawn equipment don't seem to do very well. But I don't know, shoot me a message down below and let me know if it's something you guys want to see. I'm gonna post them anyways because I'd rather post something for the week than nothing. And I still got the truck that I got to finish up. Basically, the bottom's got to get painted. I got to finish the step bars. I got to put that on. That's a video coming. And the Dodge Dart basically is on the lift right now, and I got work, I gotta do that, and that's a coming video. So this is filler, and let's get to it. I'll start by pulling the plug, see what this looks like if it's full of oil. The plug is probably fouled, so let's see. And it you guys can see that, but it is soaked. It smells like gasoline though. Doesn't smell like oil. Let's pull it over and see. Maybe it flies out. See anything coming out. Didn't see anything coming out. Let me get some starting fluid, squirt it in the hole there, and see if this thing kicks over. Let's give it a little bit of gasoline in there. Let's see what this does. We have a ton of oil spraying out of that thing. So my assumption is that the carburetor needs to come off. It's probably got oil in the carburetor. So let's get going on that. Yeah, that air filter is full of oil, which will be all right. It'll still run, but we're gonna need to take this guy off. clamp off the gas line. Gonna go pull it to the bench, see what's going on with this. Alright, let's get a look inside of this thing, see what's going on. And I'm gonna need a 1/2-inch socket. Wow, it's quite a bit of stuff down inside of there. I don't know if it's water or what. Let's see. I usually dump the stuff inside of here if I can look at it. See if it separates at all. I mean, it looks okay. I don't want to damage the gasket. It looks alright. I don't really see any issues with it. Guess we'll clean it up. See what's going on here. Might be water in the tank. It's probably what I'm guessing. Water in the tank. It does look cloudy. And it's pretty dirty, so let's drain some gas out of the tank. Be right back. Here's some fuel from the tank. It does look a little bit brown, but I don't think there's anything wrong with it. We'll let that sit. Put the lid on it. We'll take a look at it after. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna fire up the compressor and shoot some air through there. I'll come back. Alright, looks pretty clean. Let's take a look at the needle. See what we got going on that. That looks good. Don't see any issues with that. So I guess we'll just pop it back together. Pretty simple carburetor, really not much to it. Let me just hit that with a little bit of air. All right, I think we're good. We'll assemble this. Hopefully throw her back on. Should have no more issues. Carburetor's back on. I did put an inline gas filter on there. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I don't know if it's filling the carb. We're going to find out. If not, I'll put a new gas line on. Let's pull it and see what happens. Give it a shot of brake clean, see what happens. It's smoking pretty good. Alright, before I put it back together, so I put a clip on the safety. Call that a dead man. Anyway, I'm gonna let it run for a while because it is a lot of smoke. There's a lot of oil inside of it. So let's try to clean it up a little bit. Real good. Let's let it run for a while and burn all that oil off. All right, guys. Well, it's all fixed. I let it run for about 20 minutes, and it's not smoking anymore. And let's see how it starts. Well, that was an easy one. Again, these things are real simple to work on. The carburetors are very simple. So I guess that's how you get one of these things running if you overfill it with oil. I don't think that was the problem. I think the problem was the carburetor had a bunch of stuff in it. And like I said, I put that, I don't know if you guys can see it there, I put that gas filter on there and drained off a little bit of the gas because the water sinks to the bottom of the tank. So I drained off about a half a cup of gas and she's good to go. So I'll give it back to the landscaper, and I'm pretty sure he'll have something else for me to do. I got snow blowers and stuff that I got to get going for this guy. So if these are things you guys want to see, this will be a short video right now. Let me know in the comment section. I'm probably going to post them anyways, even if you guys don't want to see them, because I work on so much stuff all the time. I don't always get a chance to work on four-wheelers and dirt bikes. I just have so much other stuff that I got to do, and the channel isn't specifically for that. It just seems like that's kind of what I cut my teeth with, I should say, and that's where my audience is mainly. But I am going to branch out. I am going to try to get into UTVs. I'm going to do some more car stuff and more small engine repair, just to broaden the channel to kind of attract more viewers. But again, this was a quick one, just to get something up for the week. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank everyone who's subscribing, and hang in there if you don't like these kind of videos, because I do have a lot more stuff coming, and I do have an ATV that I am going to completely restore, which I'm not going to tell you guys what that is yet, but that's coming. And I am going to completely rebuild that YFC 450. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.